Every unit test lives or dies by a single line of code. That line is called an assertion, and it's the judge that decides whether your test passes or fails. An assertion is a statement in your test code that checks if a condition is true or matches what you expect. Think of it as a checkpoint that verifies your code behaves correctly. Without assertions, tests would run but never tell you if anything actually works. They're the core mechanism that makes testing meaningful. Here's how assertions determine test outcomes. When an assertion runs, it compares an actual value your code produces against an expected value you define. If they match, the assertion passes silently and the test continues. If they don't match, the assertion throws an error, the test fails immediately, and you get a detailed message explaining what went wrong. This pass-fail mechanism is what makes automated testing reliable. Let's look at common assertion methods in JavaScript. With Jest, you use expect with matches like toBe for strict equality, toEqual for deep object comparison, and toBeTruthy for Boolean checks. Here's a real example. We have a function that adds two numbers. Our test calls the function with 5 and 3, then uses expect result to be 8. If the function returns 8, the assertion passes. If it returns anything else, the test fails and Jest shows you what you got versus what you expected. This pattern of comparing actual against expected is universal across all testing frameworks. Remember, assertions are your test verdict. They compare actual output to expected output, and that comparison determines if your code works. Master assertions, and you master testing. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.